Good day everyone, Ace here from Ace Space Astrophotography, and today I'd like to show you the software I use to shoot the Cigar Galaxy. I use Sequence Generator Pro and PHD2 guiding. So I've been shooting the Cigar Galaxy now for about 3 months and I'm still not finished. I still need 6 more hours of hydrogen alpha, 9 more hours of lume, and 2 more hours of each RGB. So it's been taking quite a while. So let's get Sequence Generator Pro open here. There we go. Alright. So we'll open our sequence that we already have. Then the sequence has changed. No. So my target is target 1. And then open. Alright, so there you can see the Cigar Galaxy from the last image that I took. So now let's connect all our equipment. Hit yes. Here we go, you see the camera, the filter wheel, and the telescope mount will connect. Here we go, all connected. Alright, so go into the control panel, look at the camera. So I've got the camera set to -15. Alright, now we're going to set the filter to the hydrogen alpha. I don't really need to do this, but I like to do it because inside when you run the sequence, as long as you have the check mark in the run, whatever is in the run command, that's the filter that will run. So as you can see, the temperature is set to -15 and we're at 12 degrees, so we got a bit for it to cool down yet. Alright. Alright, so we'll close that down. So along the top you can see all the different modules that are inside Sequence Generator Pro. I don't have a rotator, so rotator, flat box, temperature, PhD graph, focus control. I don't have an electronic focuser, so that doesn't help me at all. Filter wheel and frame and focus, which is what we need right now. So I use frame and focus with a Bahtinov Mask to focus my telescope. So basically you place the Bahtinov Mask over your telescope, start the frame and focus module. I usually do 2-second exposures. Makes it quick so you can get your adjustment for your focus a lot faster. You don't have to wait for the exposure to pop up like doing 3 or 6-second exposures. I do too. It's quicker. So I got my Bahtinov Mask now on my telescope, so now I've got to slew over to the star Arcturus. So I'm going to use Arcturus. You need a bright star to use your Bahtinov Mask. So I'm just waiting for my scope to slew over to Arcturus here. Just give me a minute to get that all set up here. It's a little difficult to see at times. I got a hoodie on with some that zips all the way up. It's got 2 eye holes there because I like to protect myself. I got like 50,000 mosquitoes out here tonight. From about May to end of August is mosquito season here. It's crazy. Should be just another minute here. There we go. Take one exposure. And we should see Arcturus pop up on the screen. There it is. Alright. Alright, so now I hit start so it keeps looping, so I don't have to keep taking one picture. This will keep taking 2-second exposures so that I can adjust the focus. There we go. And what you need to do here is you look at the 3 diffraction spikes up top. You got to get that middle diffraction spike even between the other 2 diffraction spikes. Once you get the middle one centered, then you've achieved good focus. So it just takes a few minutes to manually adjust your focuser knob there on your telescope to get it into focus here. It's getting there. You want to get it right in the middle. You want to be dead on because you want to get you want your pictures to be in focus. That looks pretty good to me now. I usually play around with it for a few minutes just to make sure I want to get the focus right on. Alright, so that looks good. Alright, so now that I got the focus good, now I'm going to set the mount to go back over to the Cigar Galaxy, so it's in the right area, and then I'll hit the sequence. I'll run the sequence on the Sequence Generator Pro, and it'll use plate solving to get it the Cigar Galaxy lined back up, center it and everything. Works really well. So just take a minute here. Alright, so the camera temperature is now minus 15, so we're good to go. Alright, hit run sequence, and now it'll start its plate solve. So with Sequence Generator Pro, I use Plate Solve 2. Works really well. I never ever have any issues. Well, I've never had any issues using Plate Solve 2. Usually works right away. Never have any issues at all. Yeah, I'll say that, and then tonight I'll have issues. But it always works first time for me. So as you can see, the first attempt failed. That normally happens. Sometimes I'll get the second attempt fail, and nope, not this time. Second attempt is good. So it's Plate Solve is going to work here. And you can see the Cigar Galaxy in the middle there. It's only a quick exposure, so it's not looking too good. And the stars still look like crap there. So Alright, so now we'll open up PHD2 guiding. Alright, so you hit the little USB button there in the left corner, connect all your equipment. So I have the Altair camera, and for my mount I have the Celestron telescope ASCOM driver. I don't use the SD4 cable. It's all controlled by USB cable to my mount. Alright, so everything's connected. We got 2-second exposures. So the settings you can see along the bottom. If you have an AVX mount and you're having issues, try those settings, because as soon as I changed to most of those settings, all my guiding issues went away. So now all I'm doing is I hit the looping button, the 2 arrows there, hit the looping button, and my stars look like crap. So I have to adjust the focus on my guide scope. Just give me a minute here. Nope, not going too good here. Just give me a minute to get it focused. Sorry about that. Getting there. Come on. I think that should have it. Alright, so now once you did the looping, then hit Alt S and it'll put a square box and it'll pick the guide star for you, and then all you do is you hit the green guiding button there. But I want to show you something that's important here. You want to make sure you have your camera specific properties there, your pixel size of your guide camera. Mine's 3.75. I'm using the Altair Astro GP Cam 130 mono camera. So you put your pixel size in there. And then for calibration, you want the focal length of your guide scope, and mine's the mini guide scope, so mine's 162 millimeters. Make sure you put your proper guide scope size in there. And then you just hit, like I said, you hit the green guiding button and you're guiding. So now you'll see in the middle there, it'll start to guide. So let's go back to Sequence Generator Pro, and we'll see what our first exposure look like. And it looked a little crappy there, but that's okay. So now we're looking at the guiding here, and my total RMS is 1.15 right now. Seems to be guiding pretty good. A little bit of a bump there in the middle. Total RMS 1.24. I'm usually in around 90 to 70 total RMS error with a good tight graph. Usually it takes 2 or 3, sometimes 4 or 5 minutes for it to settle down and to start guiding really good. So we'll see how it goes tonight. Alright, what do we got left here? We got 21 seconds left before our next picture. Alright. Yeah, the laptop screen, it's not the greatest screen to look at in the dark. Alright, so downloading the picture, and nope, stars look like crap. Alright. Just give me a sec here. Alright, so back into the guiding. So doesn't look like it's doing too good right now. Still hasn't settled down. One 1.64, 1.65. Graph's looking a little better. Alright, 24 seconds before the next frame. Seven more seconds. Next picture. Nope. Crap. Still crap stars. Usually by now it's settled down and I've got pinpoint stars. Alright, back into the guiding, and we're at 1.48. Graph still looks a little wonky. Well, probably just gonna have to wait a few more minutes for the guiding to get better here. I know there's some light clouds in the sky, so that might be causing some of an issue, but let's see here. There, we got 47 more seconds before the next picture here. picture coming up. Nope. Still crap. Frickin'. It's like 3 stars. What the hell? Don't ever remember stars looking like that. This is crazy. Alright, well, let's go back into the guiding. Well, it's starting to go down total RMS. It's 1.11. Now it's 0.58. No, something's going on there. 0.74. So I just cleared it again. So let's see if this helps out. Zero 0.65, 0.63. Okay, seems. No, it's going back up again. Well, it seems pretty smooth. All right. What do we have left? 51 seconds before the next picture. Yeah, I'll have some nights it'll work really good and other nights it won't work worth a crap. It's probably one of my crap nights. Jeepers. Alright, 25 more seconds. Alright, cross your fingers. Frickin' hell, what the frick's going on? Should have good stars by now. What the hell? Alright, give me a minute. Let me check something else out here. Alright, see that big spike there? That's me pulling the Bahtinov Mask off of my telescope. Fuck. Rookie mistake. Forgot to take the goddamn Bahtinov Mask off when I'm trying to image. That's for frickin' focusing, not when you're taking images. God. I haven't done that in like frickin' 3 years. Did that one night, took me an hour to figure it out. Well, at least this time wasn't too long. But still. Holy crap. Goddamn Bahtinov Mask. Well, alright. So it'll take a minute for the guiding to settle down here. Alright. Yeah, now that I bump the scope, it'll still be crappy looking stars there, but at least I got the Bahtinov Mask off. Oh man. Alright. Clear the graph again. Alright, downloading our next picture. Yeah, stars are crappy, but you don't see those diffraction spikes. That's what those frickin' 3 little stars were. It was the diffraction spikes. God, I wonder why I didn't see that. Small laptop screen. Frick. Alright, guiding is looking good. .77 for total RMS error. Not bad. And the graph's looking nice and tight. Good. So our next picture should be nice pinpoint stars. Shouldn't be any issues now. Oh man. Frustrations or what? just because I didn't move the goddamn Bahtinov mask. Oh well. Guiding's looking good. Just keep an eye on that for a minute, make sure everything's good. Alright, 41 more seconds before our next picture. Now this one should be nice pinpoint stars. If not, there's something wrong. Temperature still minus 15, good. Nine more seconds. Yeehaw! Pinpoint stars. There we go. About time. Wow. Rookie mistake, not removing the Bahtinov mask. Oh my god. Alright, so everything seems to be going good now. Total RMS 0.85, and the graph's looking good. Sometimes my total RMS error will be like 2.00, but I'll look at the graph and it'll be nice and tight, so I don't always go by that. I usually go by the graph. It usually tells you how things are going better. At least I think so. So it seems to be guiding pretty good here. Alright, 31 more seconds before the next picture. And these should be nice round stars again. And there we go. Nice round stars. Perfect. So I hope this video there helped you in any ways. If you have any comments or you have any questions or anything about PHD2 or Sequence Generator Pro, I'm no expert, but I know how to use it. Yeah, if I remember to take the Bahtinov mask off. I know how to use the software, so if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll help you out if I can. So I really appreciate everybody watching my videos, and if you like them, please give me a thumbs up, and if you really like them, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thanks everybody for watching. Ace out.